So, you open your fridge, and it's a bit like playing Jenga with food. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've all been there. But fear not. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate guide on how to organize your refrigerator for maximum freshness. Trust me, these tips will make your kitchen life so much easier. First things first, let's talk temperature. Your fridge isn't just a food storage unit, it's a food preservation chamber. Keep it between 34 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius and 4 degrees Celsius. And the freezer? A cool 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, or lower. Let's make sure we're setting the stage for freshness. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. Group similar items together based on their temperature needs. Keep perishables like raw meat and dairy on the lower shelves where it's colder. It's all about creating a harmony of freshness. See-through containers are your BFFs. They're like magic windows into the culinary wonders of your fridge. The less time the door is open, the happier your food stays. Now, here's a pro tip: FIFO. First in, first out. Always rotate your stock. New stuff at the back, older stuff at the front. It's like a foodie time machine. Speaking of time, let's talk dates. Label your leftovers with the date you made them. Regularly check expiration dates, and if something's past its prime, bid it farewell. Raw meat needs its own VIP section. Seal it up, put it on a plate, and make sure it's chilling on the bottom shelf to avoid any drips or drama. Fruits and veggies need their space too. Fruits release ethylene gas, which can speed up veggie ripening. Keep them separated in different drawers to maintain the peace. The crisper drawers, the unsung heroes of the fridge. Adjust the humidity settings to keep your greens crisp and your fruits fabulous. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to organizing your fridge for maximum freshness. Remember, a well-organized fridge is the key to a happy kitchen. If you found these tips helpful, give us a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try, or if you have your own fridge organization hacks. Until next time, stay fresh, stay organized, and keep redefining your kitchen with Kitchen Definition.